What's going on, YouTube? I'm Mike with Penner Investments, and today I'm going to talk about the market trend, the Fed, and my credit spreads from the past week. Please be sure to smash the like button, share this video so others may learn, and subscribe to my channel so you do not miss out on future content. Let's dive in. The market trend from the last Fed meeting in November has been trending the market up, along with Jerome Powell's press conference last Wednesday, where the market was waiting to hear how he would, or if he would, moderate the pace of interest rate hikes. And this is exactly what he said, and possibly starting early as the December meeting to moderate the interest rate hikes. This is great news for the market and will help deliver the Santa Claus rally through the end of the year. Since the trend has been up, I have been trading put credit spreads over the last several weeks and making a good bit of money doing so. I'm going to go over a couple of them that I've done this past week. I think I did somewhere around 6 or 7 just this past week and had 100% success, so it was a great week. On Monday, I sold 10 SPY puts expiring on Wednesday, which was a day and a half. The 393 strike, and I bought 10 of the 288 strikes for a $240 credit. I also entered a couple of weekly credit spreads as well. I sold 10 of the QQQ 276 strike price and bought the 270 strikes that expire that Friday for a credit of 516. I went slightly higher on my risk as the spread was 6 wide instead of my usual 5 wide for this one. I wanted to get at least a $500 credit for these 10 contracts. This raised my risk to $600 per contract since it was a $6 wide credit spread, less the credit received from the trade. Also did another weekly on Tesla, selling 10 of the 170s and buying 10 of the 165 strikes for a credit of $526. They also expired on December 2nd, just this past Friday. This gave me 1,282 just on these few credit spreads that I'm discussing here. As you can see from the charts, the trend has been up, and even more so after the Fed's press conference last Wednesday. I'm anticipating the trend to continue up through the end of the year. The next big catalyst that we'll have to watch that could move the market will be the CPI data that gets released on December 13th, followed by the end of the Fed meeting, which will be on the 13th and 14th. The last day of the meetings, the 14th, and usually around 2 o'clock they'll release a statement, and at 2:30 Jerome Powell will have his press conference. Another strategy that is great for small accounts is buying options. As the market has been trending up, I purchased 3 QQQ call options for $28.03 on November 16th, totaling $2,803 per contract. Remember, you got to multiply everything by 100 for options, and since I bought 3 of them, it was $8,409 for the 3 contracts and anticipating this rally. When the market spiked on last Wednesday, the November 30th, I closed them out for a $573 profit, which was almost 7% return in just a couple of weeks. Again, it might have been a little early, but like I said before, when you have a good profit, take it. It's harder to make money buying options as this is a directional play, so I had a profit and I go ahead and took it. Moving into next week, I'm going to watch for opportunities to jump back in put credit spreads and the SPY, the QQQ, NVIDIA, Tesla, and Salesforce as well. As I said before, you want your trades to be with the trend, especially for these credit spreads. I like to take a look at the monthly and the weekly charts and then figure out the trend from looking at those charts. And then what I'm looking for is on the daily chart is looking for a pullback to enter the put credit spread. When the stock pulls back, the option premium is a little higher. And then I'm planning on the stock to continue with the trend. So when it pulls back, I can get, since the premium's higher, I can set my higher strike a little further away from the money so that it's just a little bit safer play. Well, as always, thanks for watching. And if there's ever anything you'd like me to discuss or learn more about, please drop a comment in the box. Till next time, good luck trading.